Hey, what's up, guys? I like to keep my tools right in the open, easy to reach. So I built this tool bot. Holds a lot of tools, all I need. Other thing you can use to organize your tool cart, you can use old brake pads. It has holes in it already. You can put your socket, ratchet. These are from wheel bearings. And here's my air ratchet tools, and then here to hold your impact gun, just get an old socket, non-brand socket, no snap-on or anything, because that's going to cost you some money. So you can hang your impacts. So if you like the idea, subscribe and like and make a comment. Thank you.